Hi everyone, this is Tech and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about how to submit your site to Google search engine. How to submit your site to Google search engine. And for those of you who have started YouTube channel and you find it quite difficult to send your website to Google search engine, I recommend this video for you, and I think we should get started and then we see how we can do that. So first of all, as you can see, I have opened my Google or my browser. Then you kindly go to web webmaster webmaster tool. As you can see, I have it here already. Then you go to webmaster tool. Now then you go to Google search engine. Google search engine. So here they said improve your performance on Google search. As you can see written here, search console tools and reports help you to measure your site search traffic and performance, fix issue, and make your site shine in Google search results. So you just go to start now. So now, for those of you who have created your YouTube channel already, this is how you are going to see. This is the inner of the search console. This is the inner of the search console. So right now, when you want to submit your website, you have already created, that's when you have already created your website and you want to submit your website to Google. This is how you are going to do it. As you can see, this is my website. This is my website here. You just type your URL and then you enter. So retrieving data. So now they said URL is on Google now. It can appear in Google search results. So as you can see, they've marked me green. That means correct. It has been submitted. So now I think this is all about submitting. This is all about submitting. So right now, as you have submitted your site to Google, any kind of other things that you want to submit to your Google, it's quite very easy. You don't have to come through this process again and then submit those things that you want to submit. So when you want to submit any different thing to your site on Google, you just come to sitemap here. So now as you can see, this is my HTTPS or my URL, and then this is my site. At the same time, this is my site right now. So when you want to add sitemap, that's when you want to add another thing to your site. This is where you are going to enter your URL or whatever you want to enter there, and then or pictures, everything that you want to send it to your website. Then you enter, then you send that. So I'm going to do an example for you to see how it's being done. So now I'm going to go to my videos. I am going to my videos on my channel. Hello everyone, today I'm going to so now let me click on this one. as you can see, this is the link, this is the video link. So you just pick the video link and then copy. You don't have to copy all this. No, if you copy all of that, it will not go. And you let me do an example for you to see. If you copy all this, it will not be able to go because you have the HTTP here already, and then you just copied another HTTPS, so it will not be able to be submitted. You can't submit that, remember. So as you can see, they said please enter a valid path to a sitemap in your site. It cannot go. So what you are going to do is you delete the YouTube, then you leave the watch, that's the video link, then you submit. So as you can see right now, they said submitting sitemap, and sitemap submitted successfully. Sitemap submitted successfully. So meaning I am done with my work. So every video that you want to submit to your website, this is the process how you are going to do it, and it's quite simple. I don't find it any difficult at all. Now it has been submitted, got it. So as you can see, it is very 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 very, very simple, very 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 simple. And today I think that's what I really want to teach you. And make sure you subscribe, kindly subscribe the video.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial,
Kindly subscribe the video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
we will learn how to color correct a photo in Photoshop.